You have these 7 domains, you have things changing, emerging, innovations, everything that's going on in each. But it seems like the convergence part is really important, where you have changes across all these domains, but they're all changing together now, right? And that's where the huge impact is around convergence. Do you want to add anything to that?
Yeah, so the simultaneous impact of these forces and how they link, we'll get into this, but the causal relationship between forces is really, really important, because a force in one domain is spawning another force in another domain, right? So think about what the force at a very high level of an Iran war and what it spawned in terms of supply chain and implications to the global economy, right? So economics is being influenced by a set of forces happening in a geopolitical context, but spilling very quickly over into other domains, societal, economic, etc. So and we'll get into this, but what we're trying to do is link those things, link them in terms of plausibility and how that moves forward. And through that analysis, understand what the next several years could look like.